Hey guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to download and install MetaTrader 4, also known as MT4, on your MacBook. Let's get started. First, open your browser. I'm using Brave, but you can use any browser you like. In the search bar, type MetaTrader 4 and press Enter. From the search results, click on the official link that says metatrader4.com. I'll also leave the link in the description of the video. Next, select MetaTrader 4 on the Download section, click the X icon button, and save the file to your desired location. The download should start immediately. It may take a few moments, so just wait for it to complete. Once it's finished, locate the downloaded file and double-click it to extract the contents. After extraction, you'll see a file named MetaTrader 4.pkg. Double-click this file. If you see a warning message that says MetaTrader 4.pkg can't be opened because it was not downloaded from the App Store, click OK. To bypass this, click on the Apple logo located on the top left, go to System Settings, then click Privacy and Security on the left. Scroll down to the Security section. You should see a message that says, MetaTrader 4 was blocked from use because it is not from an identified developer. Click Open Anyway and enter your security password if prompted. Click Open again to confirm. The MetaTrader 4 installation wizard will open. Click Continue. Click Continue again, then click Agree to accept the license agreement. Finally, click Install and enter your security password if prompted, then click Install Software. Once the installation is complete, close the installer and move it to the bin. The application should now launch automatically. If it doesn't, open your Applications folder, find MetaTrader 4, and double-click the icon to launch it. You may be prompted to accept the license agreement again. Click Agree to proceed. And that's it. You've successfully installed MetaTrader 4 on your Mac. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.